What tends to happen is people assume that the solution is start buying software. They look into subscriptions, platforms, systems, CRMs, project tools, thinking that structure comes from paying, but most of the time, the issue isn't a lack of tools, it's a lack of simple structure, using what's already available, because basic business operations doesn't require advanced technology. They require consistency in how information is handled. What's actually happening is when things feel disorganized, it's usually because there's no defined place for it. You got your client communication, job details, estimates, photos, and documentation, scheduling. So everything ends up spread across text messages, call logs, and random notes and camera rolls. And over time, that creates friction. You spend more time looking for things than actually using them. Here's why it happens. Operations are built while the work is already coming in. So instead of designing a system first, people just respond to what's in front of them. A message comes in, you reply, a job gets scheduled, you remember it, an estimate gets sent, you type it out on the spot. And that works early on, but as volume increases, that same approach starts breaking down because the business isn't structured, it's reactive. How it actually works is at a basic level, every business needs a system that does 5 things. 1, stores information. 2, organizes communication. 3, tracks work. 4, documents jobs. 5, maintains consistency. All of that can be handled without paying for subscriptions. Same technology that covers everything. Start with your email. Gmail or any standard email platform can act as a central record for your business. Every estimate, invoice, or important message should go through email. That creates a searchable, permanent record of your work. For documents and estimates, use something simple like Google Docs. You can create one clean estimate format and reuse it every time. Instead of rewriting jobs from scratch, you're filling in the structure that already exists. That alone removes a lot of wasted time. For organization and file storage, use Google Drive. This gives you folders for your clients, jobs, photos, documents. Instead of everything being in your phone randomly, each job has a place. For scheduling, just use Google Calendar. Every job gets entered with your name, location, job, and your notes. Now you're not relying on memory, you're operating from a schedule. For quick notes and job tracking, Google Keep. This can be used for quick job details, materials list, reminders, nothing complex, just one place to write things down that you can always find. For communication, keep using your phone, but with structure. Text is for initial contact, quick updates. Email is for estimates, confirmations, final decisions. That separation alone clears up confusion. What this looks like in real operation. A client reaches out, you respond by text. That estimate is created from a saved template. When the job is approved, you schedule it in your calendar. You create a folder in your drive for that client. Photos from the job go into that folder. Notes stay in one place. Now everything tied to that job is organized without needing anything advanced. This does not make your business more complicated. It actually removes complexity because now you're not searching for your old images. You're not rewriting the same estimates. You're not forgetting job details. You're not guessing on your schedule. You're just following a simple structure. Most businesses don't struggle because they lack tools. They struggle because there's no system behind how the work is handled. And what tends to happen is people try to fix that by adding more technology, but structure doesn't come from complexity, it comes from consistency. And if the basics are handled correctly, you don't need subscriptions to run a clean operation. You just need a clear way to organize what's already in front of you.